4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, waterfront pool home in Palm Bay for $485. Stick around. Hey, what's up? Today we are at the lakes at Waterstone in South Palm Bay, and I'm gonna show you what you can get for $485,000. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom pool home. It's just over 2,600 square feet, and it's got a water view. Now, the thing that I think is interesting about this property is it was built in 2006, but it was actually built by DiVosta Homes, which was a subsidiary of Pulte. And the level of quality that they use in the construction and building materials, I feel, is second to none. So it's actually, in my opinion, overbuilt, especially to today's standards. You've got things like barrel tile roof. The exterior is actually poured concrete construction. It's not block, it's actually poured concrete, and you'll see the level of finishes when we go inside are actually a pretty high quality. So I think at $485,000, this home is an extremely good value, and actually our client just closed on this, and I think they're gonna walk into this with equity. Can use a little bit of cosmetic updating, but it's still gonna give you a great idea on what you can get for the money. Now, before we go inside, I'll give you a quick overview of the community. And actually, if you're familiar with any of Orlando's real estate, this is almost like a sister community to Village Walk in the Lake Nona community. I think it was, those were DiVosta as well, so I think it was the same developer. Very similar community, but it's much more smaller and intimate here. So this is actually the biggest floor plan, I believe, that they offered. Everything in here has a water view. They've got a community center down there. It's a gated neighborhood, pool, tennis courts, and you'll notice that the aesthetic through the community is extremely consistent. Everything has tile roofs. There's maybe 4 or 5 different color palettes that you can choose from on your home, and the HOA actually does all the exterior grounds maintenance. So it's not a maintenance-free community, but it's a low maintenance style community. So come inside, let's take a look. So as you can see, this property actually has all these built-ins, which came standard from the builder. You know, it's not the highest end cabinetry, it's good quality stuff, but originally it had that like thermofoil white plastic on it, but it wouldn't take much to really upgrade these and give it a more modern aesthetic. Everything's got the Corian countertops. You'll notice the ceilings throughout the entire house are really tall. I don't know what these are. These might be 12-foot ceilings. I'm not the best judge of height and measurement. So let's start off over here. You'll notice when you come in, you've got this formal living area. It's actually got a wood fireplace, which is kind of a rarity here in Florida. Massive windows. There's lots of natural light in here. Dining room right off of the kitchen. So I think they made a similar model to this that was a little bit smaller. And I think the entire footprint of the home on that side was the same, and this was actually one of the differences. So over here you've got, we'll call this bedroom 4 and bathroom 3, which has the access to your pool outside. You'll notice too, like even the doors are solid. Everything now is like hollow core doors. These are like solid wooden doors. It's just little things like that you're not gonna typically find in modern construction unless you're going, you know, custom or semi-custom. So kitchen's decent size, same thing, you know, white. These were originally, I think, the thermofoil cabinets. You know, those things start to peel over time, so the seller did replace these with just new doors, Corian countertops, but it's got a great footprint. If someone really wanted to renovate this kitchen, open things up, maybe take these lowers down and really open up your perspective, I think it's a really cool floor plan. We'll go up here and look at the front wing of the house first. So this is a 4, 3.5. You've got bedroom 4 and 3 over there in the back. Now this would be, well, I would say this is bedroom 4. I mean, it technically does have a closet, but you'll notice it's got this little angle on it because of the hallway. So this would really be a good office if you work from home and need office space. But I really like how the bedrooms are separated and you can really divide up your living space. So full bathroom number 2. And we'll call this bedroom 2 up front here. Another thing that was kind of cool that you didn't typically see in these tract style homes is they actually put the central vac in there. So that's a fun little feature. And then obviously off the front, you've got your laundry, which takes us into the garage. So you've got your washer and dryer, laundry with sink, built-in cabinets in the garage. These actually came from the builder with the metal storm shutter, so everything's pre-drilled and ready to go. So if we do have a storm, those are easy, super easy to put up and install. There's your vac right here. All right, let's head back here and take a look at the master now. All right, now the cool thing here, obviously this house has a pool. I'm gonna take you out there in a minute so you can see it, but you've got access from your living room, dining room, master bedroom. You've got the pool access from the 3rd bathroom, and we'll go out there in a minute, but come check out this bathroom. It's got something that's pretty unique. Before we look at the bathroom, look at the closets. You've got walk-in closet, standard closet, standard closet. Now check this out. You actually have a full bathroom with a half bathroom in the same suite. I know it sounds funny, but you got to see it to believe it. So you've got a half bathroom here, but you have access to your shower. So I know it's technically like a full bathroom, but then you've got your second vanity, tub, little makeup station here, and this shower connects through to that little half bath. So it's a pretty cool setup. It's not something that you would typically see in construction or model homes today. It's just, I think it's kind of a cool feature. Like I said, I think that the use of space is really efficient. There's not too much space, but there's just enough. So if you have a bigger family or if you have guests over, you can still separate. Central living space brings everyone together. Now, obviously, this is one of the best features. Your own pool, super quiet, nice landscaping. Everything in here is on, I mean, these are man-made ponds or canals, but everything in here has got that water view. I mean, it's not something that we're used to seeing in Central Florida. This really reminds me of something that we would see down in South Florida. But, you know, when Village Walk was built in Orlando, it was kind of one of a kind. I feel like having this in Palm Bay is also pretty unique because you're still a couple hours north of South Florida, but it still gives you that same vibe that we're not used to seeing here. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up what you can get in Palm Bay for $485,000. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this house. If you like this video, hit that like button, show some love, let us know. We want to keep doing more property tours like this. So let us know in the comments what neighborhoods, types of homes, or parts of town that you want to see more property tours in. And remember, if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel right here. Watch this video next, and I'll see you next time.